Welcome to the Secure Masculinity podcast, a place for men to share their stories, be heard, and feel valued. Have you heard the old saying, judge a man by how he treats his mother? Well, what if he has an abusive and unfit mother? What then? Recently, Johnny Depp has bravely exercised his strength in vulnerability and has opened up about his childhood in painful details. Narcissistic mothers in general are very unhappy people, and no one around them is allowed to enjoy their lives either. They make sure of it. These mothers steal their son's childhood and as much of his adulthood as he allows. Instead of protecting her son, which is her most important job, she becomes a source of terror for him. Sons of narcissistic mothers most likely have lower self-esteem, have trouble forming meaningful relationships despite their best efforts, have difficulty regulating their emotions, have difficulty trusting women, and experience an underlying resentment towards women in general. I want you to know there is hope, even though it seems so hopeless most of the time. The path to recovery from one or even two narcissistic parents is difficult, but possible and worth the effort. Download the episode to get a step-by-step actionable plan for healing and recovery. And as always, remember, a healthy mindset leads to a peaceful life.